So here is a very simple way to pay for Facebook ad today in Nigeria or in any part of the world with no risk on your credit card. Let's dive in. Now, once you are on your business suite, and how do you get there? business.facebook.com, and you are right here on your business suite. The next thing to do is to scroll down to find all tools, right? Click on all tools. And then look for billing and payments. If you can't see it here, scroll like this and be checking these options. You will see it somewhere. Let's see. I think I've passed it already. See it here, billing and payment, okay? So you can either click on it here or down there. So let's click on it here. So once you are here, select the very ad account you want to fund. I'll click here to select the ad account I want to fund. And here it says add fund to start advertising again. Then they gave me this amount. I can click here if I want to use this amount, but I don't want that. I want to click here to add fund. I click on it. And so here, before we add an amount here, look at the options you have for payment, okay? You have your debit card, you have pay with USSD, and then you have pay by bank transfer. This is my most favorite option, okay? So now let me add, like, let's say 7,500 Naira. So you can add any amount you want. Now I left it at pay with bank transfer, so I click next. So now it brings me here, okay? It says pay with bank transfer for Facebook ad. This is the amount I added, remember, okay? Now here I'm going to add a phone number first. They require me to add a phone number. I'll quickly add one and continue. So now they have provided me an account number to pay in, okay? So all I will do is to copy this account number and pay in. This is the bank name, Paga, okay? So this is the bank account and this is the bank name, Paga, right? And then they are giving you a time limit of 30 minutes, okay? So if you pay within this time to this particular account, your money will be added for you to start running ad, okay? Now, one of the things I will advise is, from experience, do not use Access app for this funding, okay? Use something like UBA or any other bank. I tried using Access app and then I couldn't find this Pega. The Pega I found is a microfinance bank, but that's not what they're talking about here, okay? So this Pega is not microfinance. So I'm heading over to my UBA app, okay? To make the payment, I'll make the transfer. There is no card to add anywhere, no credit card being added. So I'm heading over to my UBA now. And I'm hitting on send money. Select other banks. And then I will look for this Paga. P-A-G-A. I hope that's the name. Yeah, I've seen it. The account number, that's 2896867, right? 523. So let's search, confirm receiver. Yeah, Facebook ad. So you see Facebook ad as the receiver's name, okay? So I'll go ahead to add the exact amount, okay? So I'll go ahead to add 7,500 Naira. Let me also say it's Facebook ad, even though it has shown Facebook ad there. Facebook ad, yeah. So transfer. I will need to add my PIN. So I'm making the payment right away. Once I make this payment, it will reflect here. I've just paid, so let's wait and see what happens. I've been debited. Can you see? So it has already picked it that I have made the payment. So I've funded my account for this ad that I want to run, right? So that is how easy it is. Can you see it here? 7,005 successfully added. So I'll click here to confirm. See the 75 here. So that's a very simple and most convenient way to pay for Facebook ad today with no risk on your credit card. Do subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be updated when we upload another interesting video. See you in the next video.